and good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on when you are watching this video. My name is Miss Camplain, and I'm going to give you a very brief introduction to the course that your child or you as a student will be taking with me. This is United States History or AP United States History class. Who am I? Very briefly, we'll get to know each other a lot over the course of the school year, but my name is Chelsea Camplain. I am from Monticello, Georgia, which is about an hour south of here. I am teaching United States history. I got my bachelor's in history education from Georgia Gwinnett College. Go Grizzlies! I highly support Georgia Gwinnett College. It's a fantastic school right in Gwinnett County. And then also I have here my email address. Feel free to contact me anytime. I do check my email multiple times throughout the day, so it is a very good way to get in contact with me quickly. Okay, classroom needs. Here's our school supply list. There's really only two things that you need for my class, and that is your school-issued Chromebook and a binder. Of course, paper, pens, pencils, those are necessary as well, but the binder and the school-issued Chromebook are very important. Some classroom donations, if anyone is feeling generous. We would all very appreciate, all of my students and myself, copy paper, tissues, pencils, pens, hand soap, and paper towels. Anything is appreciated. I have a tutoring schedule, Tuesday and Wednesday after school from 2:20 to 3:20. If these times don't work for you, because I understand a lot of students have clubs that they're in and they do meet on a weekly basis. There's a lot of different organizations after school people attend. Just talk to me. I'm very flexible and I'll be happy to make anything work. I have a QR code right here. If you scan it with your phone, you're going to see our course overview. This is the Gwinnett County course overview. We do follow the Gwinnett County recommended course. I've got our learning focus per semester for us. The first half of the school year, we're going to start with colonial America. We're going to talk briefly about Native Americans and go into colonial America, and then we're going to stop at industrialization, right, when we start to get factories at the end of the Civil War era. Second semester, we're going to go into progressivism, where we talk about investigative journalism, and we're going to end it up with 2022. There's a list of skills under each of these that we will be working on each semester. You'll notice they're exactly the same. They're just going to build on each other. The central focus of social studies is critical thinking. So all of these skills are going to center around critical thinking. Next up, progress reports. Transparency is essential. Students, we are all invested in you. Parents, I am very invested in your students. They are our future, so it's very important that we all work together to make sure our students, our future, is performing at the level that they need to be performing at. For that reason, we have full transparency. I will send out report cards, progress reports, once a month at least. In addition to that, feel free to contact me anytime if you have questions about your grades or your child's grades. Accessing EClass. This is a page where you're going to be able to access EClass. I have the circle over Parent Portal, but if you scoot over two buttons, you're going to see EClass. That's how students are going to get to their EClass pages. Parents, you're going to click Parent Portal to access Parent Portal. You are going to sign into Parent Portal, and this is where you control all the information we have on your students as far as like phone numbers, contacts, addresses. If you have any questions about Parent Portal, Mrs. Gilks is the woman to go to. I've got a QR code here for help with the Parent Portal, and then I also have Mrs. Gilks' email address. Lastly, our slogan this year is #TeamShilo. And my #TeamShilo slogan that I came up with is #TeamShilo is making sure each and every student sees that the sky is the limit when you think and you read. And we will certainly do a lot of thinking and a lot of reading in this class this year. Thank you very much for watching this presentation. I look forward to getting to know you better throughout the school year. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.